Let's talk about how to add an unrated vendor in Bluehorn. An unrated vendor is any category such as outdoor, print, digital, or any broadcast type such as broadcast TV, cable, or radio, where you are not directly subscribing to Nielsen or ComScore ratings through the Bluehorn system. You may still use ratings information you receive individually or from an outside source to calculate efficiencies. Adding a vendor is done in 2 steps. Step 1. From your agency dashboard, navigate to the Vendors drop-down menu on the left-hand side. Click Add New Vendor. Select the type of vendor from the drop-down by choosing one of the unrated vendor types. Then, all you need to do is enter a name for the vendor. The rest of the information can be populated now, later, or left blank. It's up to you. Please know that Bluehorn sends orders by vendor name, not station name. So if you have a conglomerate, such as iHeartRadio, for example, we suggest setting up each station as a vendor so that you can send them orders separately. When you're ready, click Add Vendor and the vendor has been added. Step 2. Scroll down to add a market and rep. You can have as many markets and reps as you like, but you must add at least one market and rep here for your vendor. The market name is customizable, so you can use the official DMA name, or use a term like national, or use a state or metropolitan area as your sample. We recommend keeping your naming conventions consistent in Bluehorn to maximize its usability for your agency. Enter your representative's name and email address. The email address is important because you cannot send an order through our system to the rep without entering that information here. You can add additional information if desired. Click Add Market Rep, and the market and rep will be added. A list of market reps is generated down below. You can edit them at any time. You can have more than one rep in a market, and you can add different markets as well. Once your vendors and clients have been added in Bluehorn, you can start adding them to campaigns and worksheets, and start sending orders from within the Bluehorn platform. At any time, you can click Show All Vendors from the Vendor drop-down menu to see the vendor and go back and edit or enter any additional information. Be sure to click the Save button to make sure your edits have been saved. Again, you can always go back and show all vendors to view them and make any changes. Anytime you need a refresher on how to add a vendor, simply click the question mark bubble icon next to Vendors on the left-hand menu, as a way to quickly link back to a video tutorial on our YouTube channel. In need of some help? Click the Life Raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Want to see more video tutorials just like this one? Head over to bluehorn.com/videos for an online knowledge base of our video tutorials where you can learn all about Bluehorn on demand. Thank you, and see you in Bluehorn.